Have you seen the Trail Float Jet Motorized Truck Float showing up online and wondered if it's an incredible invention, or just another product getting more attention from marketing than real-world performance? After carefully reviewing the available information, customer feedback, product claims, and overall presentation, the results are more mixed than the advertisements suggest. At first glance, the concept is definitely interesting and motorized. Inflatable float designed to let you relax on the water while using a small electric propulsion system instead of paddling. The design looks modern, portable, and easy to transport, making it appealing for lakes, calm rivers, and recreational outings. However, once you look beyond the promotional videos, there are a few important things buyers should keep in mind. While some customers appreciate the unique idea, portability, and the fun factor, others mention concerns about battery runtime, overall speed, durability, and whether it performs exactly as shown in advertisements. Another point worth considering is that marketing materials often make the experience appear effortless, but real-world performance can vary depending on water conditions, user weight, battery charge, and proper maintenance. There are also mixed opinions regarding shipping times and customer support, which is something to research before placing an order. On the positive side, there is no strong evidence proving that the Trail Float Jet is an outright scam, and many buyers have successfully received their products. At the same time, there also isn't enough independent evidence to support every bold marketing claim. So, it's important to approach those promises with realistic expectations. If you're considering buying one, spend some time checking verified customer reviews, warranty details, return policies, and the reputation of the seller rather than relying only on social media ads. Overall, the Trail Float Jet appears to be a legitimate product with both strengths and weaknesses rather than a guaranteed disappointment or a must-buy. Whether it's worth your money depends on your expectations, budget, and how you plan to use it. Doing a little extra research before purchasing is the smartest way to avoid buyer's remorse and make a more informed decision.